How to look cute girl without makeup. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to spill all the secrets on how you can look cute and fabulous without a stitch of makeup. That's right, we're embracing our natural beauty and enhancing what we already have. So get ready to glow and radiate confidence, because we are about to embark on a journey of self-love and empowerment. Let's dive in. Skincare. First things first, let's talk about skincare. A healthy and glowing complexion is the foundation of looking cute without makeup. Make sure to cleanse your face twice a day to remove dirt and impurities. Follow up with a gentle exfoliator to slough off dead skin cells and reveal fresh, radiant skin. Don't forget to moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and plump. And always wear sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Trust me, a good skincare routine will make all the difference in your natural beauty. Wearing cute outfit. Your outfit can play a huge role in how cute and put together you look. Wear what makes you happy and comfortable. Inspirations for cute outfit ideas. When it comes to putting together a cute outfit, the possibilities are endless. One of my favorite sources of inspiration is Pinterest. I love scrolling through boards filled with outfit ideas, color palettes, and style trends. Another great way to get inspired is by following fashion influencers on Instagram. Seeing how they style different pieces together always gives me new ideas to refresh my wardrobe. And of course, you can never go wrong with flipping through fashion magazines or watching runway shows for some high-end inspiration. Here are some tips to help you nail the cute outfit games. Focus on flattering your body shape and expressing your personal style. Opt for pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable. Consider incorporating feminine touches like floral patterns, pastel colors, or ruffles. Mix and match different clothing items to create a cohesive look. And don't forget to accessorize with dainty jewelry or a cute handbag. Pay attention to details like fit and fabric quality to elevate your overall appearance. Ultimately, confidence is key. Wear what makes you feel good, and your cuteness will shine through effortlessly. Hair. First things first, let's talk about the importance of using the right hair products for your hair type. This is crucial for maintaining healthy and beautiful hair. If you have dry hair, look for products that are specifically formulated to moisturize and hydrate your locks. On the other hand, if you have oily hair, opt for lightweight products that will help control excess oil production. And if you have colored hair, make sure to use products that are safe for color-treated hair to prevent fading and damage. Next, let's discuss the importance of regular trims. Even if you are trying to grow your hair long, getting regular trims is essential for maintaining healthy and manageable hair. Trimming off split ends and removing any damaged hair will prevent breakage and help your hair grow stronger and longer. Plus, regular trims will keep your hair looking fresh and free of any dullness or frizz. One of my favorite tips is to incorporate hair masks into your weekly hair care routine. Hair masks are a great way to nourish and hydrate your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and healthy. You can make your own DIY hair mask using natural ingredients like avocado, honey, and coconut oil, or you can opt for a store-bought mask for convenience. Last but not least, don't forget to show your hair some love from the inside out. A healthy diet rich in vitamins and nutrients is essential for maintaining healthy hair. Make sure to include foods like salmon, nuts, leafy greens, and eggs in your diet to promote strong and shiny hair. And of course, drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated and looking its best. Hairstyles. For a cute look, try these hairstyles: messy bun, half up, half down, braided crown, ponytail with a twist, and side-swept curls. Each style adds a touch of sweetness and charm to your overall look, perfect for any occasion. Acting cute. Looking cute isn't just about appearance. It's also about the way you carry yourself and your habits. Here are some cute habits you can adopt. Smiling often. A genuine smile can instantly brighten your face and make you look approachable and adorable. Plus, it's contagious. Using cute accessories. Adding small, adorable accessories like hair clips, bows, or dainty jewelry can enhance your look and add a touch of cuteness. Being kind. Kindness is always attractive, and it radiates a warmth that people find endearing. Simple acts of kindness like holding the door for someone or giving compliments can make you even cuter. Being playful. Embrace your inner child and indulge in playful activities like skipping, blowing bubbles, or playing with pets. It shows your fun-loving side and adds charm to your personality. Having good posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back not only makes you look confident but also accentuates your cute features. Using cute expressions. Incorporate cute phrases or expressions into your speech, like saying, "Ah," or "thank you so much," with sincerity. It adds a touch of sweetness to your interactions. Being enthusiastic. Show enthusiasm and excitement about the things you love. Whether it's your favorite hobby or a new interest, your passion will make you irresistibly adorable. Taking care of yourself. Self-care is important, and it includes taking care of your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep, eat healthily, exercise regularly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay cute and fabulous. Bye-bye.